Judah. Very exciting. He's got his first mobile moment.
Keep moving.
Backwards, man.
Keep moving. That's it. Keep moving. That's it. Keep moving.
Judah. It's very exciting. Hey. Where you going?
Judah.
Where you
Keep
going?
moving.
Where are you going? Oh no.
You keep moving.
You're going back to see Emmy? Go back to see Emmy. Oh, it's exciting and frustrating at the same time. If only you could go forwards. You made it to Emmy. Hello, Emmy. What are we gonna do? Are Mom and Dad ready for mobility? The house isn't. Time to baby proof. Put some dust mitts on your front and get the floor clean at the same time, huh? You're going around the couch. Where are you going? He's worked himself all the way to the coffee table. Okay, say bye-bye. You're stuck now. Where are you gonna go? Okay. You don't know? Say bye. Bye-bye. I love you. Bye. Love you. All right. Let destruction begin.